Well, in keeping with Rochester weather, it is currently March 21st. And this is a blizzard. Well, it did, and now it's in my face. I don't know how well it's all coming out on the video, but yeah. It was clear this morning, they got a little cloudy, then all of a sudden, blizzard storm. Was not expecting this. It's already crusting the car. You can see snow accumulation over there. I checked the weather report, gave it like a 15% chance of precipitation all day, and it's about freezing now. It's 35, so this isn't going to stick or anything. You know, it seems to be sticking there. And the thing, we already had a few days where it was 70 and things melted. Luckily, we got the trees removed entirely, and this new garden bed over here put in before sudden blizzard. Everything was completely thawed. We took out 8 trees that were here. We took them out because they were threatening the power lines. They were like ramming up against it, so we knocked them down and put a ring around the hole to plant a garden bed. And now all of it is very much in snow. That's just another episode 2 in weird Rochester weather, isn't it? Well, see you later.